Today I'm making aerated chocolate. It does require a couple pieces of special equipment, but neither are super expensive or hard to find. The first thing you'll need is to pop a vacuum seal container into the freezer. These are pretty widely available. I got mine on Amazon and I'll link to where I got it below. Next, all you need is chocolate. I'm using about 300 grams of dark chocolate, but you can use white chocolate, mint flavored chocolate, milk, or ruby chocolate. Just chop it up into pieces and place it into a metal bowl to melt gently over bain-marie. A lot of people when they're doing this for some reason like to fill their pot up right to the brim, but you really only need a small amount of water like this since we're only trying to create steam. Place the bowl of chocolate on top of the pot and melt, stirring frequently. You can temper the chocolate if you want here, I just didn't feel like it. Now the next thing that we'll need is a whipping siphon and N2O gas chargers. I bought this one for $30 at Kitchen Stuff Plus. Once the chocolate is melted, pour it into the siphon, twist on the lid, and charge it with 2 of the N2O charges. So here I've screwed in the first one, and once I've heard the gas release into the canister, I just take out the used charge and discard. Then, just do the same thing with the second charger. Now for an important step in the process, shake. You're going to want to shake the canister well for about a minute. Then all we need to do is remove the vacuum seal container from the freezer, and this step you can skip, but for some reason everything in these particular containers sticks like crazy, so I'm just spraying mine with a little nonstick spray. Start to stream in the aerated chocolate. You'll see that it looks lighter in color and texture, but it's really the next step that turns it into that bubbly Aero style chocolate. Pop the lid on the vacuum seal container and pump out the air. Now, just pop it into the freezer to set. Once you're confident that it's totally set, remove the chocolate from the freezer and pop it out of the container. You can use different size vacuum seal containers to suit whatever shape of chocolate you're looking to make. But there you go, homemade aerated chocolate. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing, and feel free to connect with me on Instagram at chefstudio_.